Hey everyone! Ever had a brilliant idea, something that could really shake things up? Well, a patent can help turn that idea into something real, something valuable. Think of a patent like a shield for your invention. It's a legal document that says, "This is mine and no one else can copy it." For about 20 years, a patent gives you the sole right to decide who can make, use, sell, or even bring your invention into the country. This means you're the boss of your invention, and you could even make some good money from it. But it's not just about the money. Patents encourage new ideas. They give inventors the confidence to spend time and effort creating new things, knowing their hard work will be protected. So patents are good not just for the inventor, but for everyone. Now, before you start practicing your thank you speech for a big award, remember, not every idea can be patented. Your invention needs to meet specific rules. First, it has to be new. This doesn't mean inventing something like, time travel, though that would be awesome. It just means your invention can't already exist. It has to be something truly unique. Second, it needs to be not obvious. This means your invention can't be a simple, predictable change to something that already exists. It has to involve a clever step that others in your field wouldn't find obvious. Finally, your invention must be something you can actually make or use. A cool idea that only works in theory won't work. If your invention checks all these boxes, then congrats. You might be on your way to getting a patent. Getting a patent in India can feel a bit complicated, but don't worry, we'll guide you. The first step is to write down everything about your invention in detail. Think of it like creating a blueprint for your invention, including descriptions, drawings, and even how it could be used. Next, you need to file a patent application with the Indian Patent Office. This application needs to be complete and include all the necessary forms and documents. It's a good idea to get help from a patent agent or attorney. These experts can help you with the legal stuff and make sure your application is perfect. Once you file your application, the patent office will review it to make sure it follows all the rules. They might ask you some questions or ask for some clarifications. If everything is good, congrats! Your patent will be granted, and you'll be the proud owner of a legally protected invention. Getting a patent is a big deal. It means you've turned an idea into something real, something that can make money, attract investors, and maybe even change the world. But the journey doesn't end there. Once you have a patent, you need to protect it. This means watching out for anyone trying to copy you and taking legal action if needed. Remember, a patent is only as strong as your willingness to protect it. By taking the right steps to secure and enforce your patent, you can enjoy all the benefits of your invention and secure your place in the world of innovation.